I actually brought Savannah out so that she could have fresh air. And of course, a little bit of sunshine. See? It's a fine weather today. And since it's still winter, it's very seldom that there's sunshine in the morning. This is Savvy's favorite playground here in school. And the students were still doing their Friday morning walk, or the field walk over there. Hey, Savannah! Are you enjoying basking in the sun? Yeah, not directly though. Yeah, it's warm there. It's warm. Warm in your basket. Nakatatlo na yun. And Carson's here. Hi, Carson! Don't go to the mud. Sunshine! Where did you sleep last night? Carson. Oh, don't pick it up. That might be dirty. Where did you sleep last night? Where's your grandma's house? Over there. Oh, it's gone. Halika na, let's keep walking. Baka naiinitan.
Basang-basa ng pause ko din.
Huwag ka na mag-tuk. Give the tuk to grandma. Walang reklamo si Vanna. Oh. Dinumog nga si Vanna ng mga classmates ni Savvy. Yeah. Oh, everybody was so curious about Vanna. I didn't take a video because of privacy thing. Hi, Carson.
What about Carson? What about Carson? Oh, not that. Pogi-pogi.
What are you? What are you? Are you Hawk? Oh. Ano ka, gorilla? Iron Man. Ay, Spider-Man. Carson, show me Spider-Man. Spider-Man.
Wow.
There. Sunshine.
Sunshine. There's sunshine. Sunshine.
Nawala yung favorite niyang leaves. Ayan. Favorite kasi niya i-touch ang leaves. Kaso dito nawala yung leaves.
Kaya pala hinahanap.
There. Favorite niya yung leaves eh.
Nag-trim siguro sila.
Come on. Favorite na kasi itat. So instead of going home, we'll extend our walk here at Thompson. Doon sa kabila, ma. Dito tayo para walang sasakyan. Yeah, we'll extend our walk at the community center, at the play area. Sulitin ang araw. Sulitin ang sunshine. Wala naman reklamo si Vanna, girl. Oh. See, Vanna, you should enjoy the outdoors. Yan. Kung hindi ako nag-baby ulit, if Vanna didn't come out, dapat naka-enroll si Carson dyan, no? Ito ba yung kay Carson? Diyan dapat, yeah. So, dyan dapat si Carson. Dito dapat siya mag-school. But since I cannot handle both of them yet as of now, so we'll just delay it for maybe for summer. Pero malaki-laki na si Vanna. Nagutom si Vanna. So it's milk time. Syempre, every time you go out with your infant, make sure you have milk with you. So I brought breast milk for her. Put it in a bottle since alam kong mahirap magpa-breastfeed in public. And it's really cold, so mahirap kahit mag-cover ako, mahirap magpa-breastfeed outdoors during winter. And Carson's there with Grandma. Muna kami sa playground. Oh, there's a very nice big fluffy dog over there. See that dog? Carson is playing here. Kasi nga, it was so cold naman during winter. I didn't want to bring him out much here. Tulog ka. Happy?
Oh, dami pupo.
Hi.
Look at pupo.
Let's go. After a few minutes at the playground, ay pauwi ni Carson. Pero tinatopok na kasi si Vanna. It's time to go home.